Mm, 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 mm. Dubai chocolate dates. A friend of mine found it in an Asian store, and I love dates. So I wasn't even planning on recording anything because look at my glasses, I'm not prepared at all. But I had to try these because anything Dubai is just amazing. So I'm actually very nervous because I love dates and I love Dubai spread, but I feel like if they're together, it won't be good. And also, this is almost $5, so this is criminal. We're going to try them. Why am I nervous? Oh, they're in like little packages. Didn't expect that. But she is so tiny. Look how tiny. Why am I nervous? Like, just eat it. Mm. Let me first try another one for the final verdict. Girl. So why is this actually good? In the beginning, you couldn't really taste the kunafe, but this is honestly a hit. Well, there aren't many in them and it is €5, but why is this so good? I don't know from which store this was, but this is a win.